Go heavy on the good and light on the bad. A hair more happy and a shade less sad. Turn all the negative down just a tad. That'd be alright. If my dear old dog never got old, if the family farm never got sold, if another bad joke never got told, that'd be alright. Yeah, that'd be alright.